In this video, I am going to talk about the quotient property of logs. I'm doing a simple case in this example. Let's say we have the log base 8 of 64 and we want to subtract log base 8 of 8 from it. Now you could do this a different way, but just to demonstrate the quotient property, we're going to talk about a few things. First of all, the only way you can use this quotient property is if the bases are the same, and they are the same of both logarithms. So we're going to rewrite this as log base 8, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the 64 and the 8, which is what we're taking the log base 8 of in the first part and the second part, and we're going to divide those two numbers in our new log. So we can rewrite this as log base 8 of 8. Now, we already know, because of our definition-based log properties, that this is just going to be 1. If you wanted to take the log base 8 of 8 and convert it to an exponent, you could do it like this. 8 raised to the x power equals 8. 8 raised to the x power equals 8. And the only value of x where it makes sense is if x equals 1. Just keep in mind that this quotient property only works if the bases are the same. So bases must be the same. Let's go ahead and do the quotient property of logs for this problem. We have two logs that we want to subtract, and we need to find an answer, basically. So because the two logs have the same base, we can consolidate them and use the quotient property. So we're going to have log base 12. We will take a 576 and divide it by 4 as part of that logarithm. Just simplifying this a little bit more, get your calculator out if you like. 576 divided by 4 is just 144. Go ahead and write that in green. Oops. So let's go ahead and just write an x afterwards, and we'll convert this to exponent form. 12 raised to the x power is going to equal 144. So 12 raised to the x power equals 144. So basically, in this case, we need to just figure out what x is, and we know that 12 raised to the second power is going to be equal to 12 times 12, which is equal to 144. So in this case, x is going to equal 2, and we can answer our difference of logarithms as log base 12 of 576 minus log base 12 of 4 is going to equal 2.